Hello, DDP students, and welcome to the third installment of our mini golf project. So we're going to build a bridge in this one. We're going to start this one with a construction plane that is a plane at an angle. And I'm going to start it from this edge right here on this wall right here. All right. Now, what makes this a plane at an angle? It doesn't look like it's at an angle, but it does have this sort of knob here that we can turn it, and we can move it at whatever angle we want. So I do want this to be at an angle. So this is how we're going to do it. Okay. So what we do with work planes, once we set them, is we're going to create a sketch. So I'm going to go to create sketch and choose that work plane. Now, when it goes wonky like this, we want to go to our orbit, rotate it to the side, and just to orientate ourselves. And we do it on that side here. Switch off this thing. Okay. All right. So when we are lost our orientation, we can find it again because the side we're working on is between the front and the right side. Okay, so we're going to have it like this, where we can see both sides. Okay, maybe more of the right side. All right, move it like that. That's cool. All right, so I'm just gonna leave it like that. We're gonna go to our sketch palette, and we're going to toggle on slice. I'm going to do that project geometry again, where I'm going to grab a line. So I'm going to grab this line right here. I think I grabbed the wrong thing. There we go. So with that, I'm going to hit OK. I'm going to do our project geometry. So I'm going to do a 3-point arc. I'm sorry, not project geometry. I'm going to do a 3-point arc. So I'm going to go here. And I don't know, let me see here. Actually, I'm going to start it a little earlier. I'm going to go here. Okay. And I'm now going to offset this. We're going to go up 12. Okay, I'm going to set that. Now I want these lines to extend downward. We're going to go to modify and extend. Touch these lines here, and they just kind of magically extend where I want them to. Great. So now I'm going to choose a line to close off the profile here and here. There. So when we finish the sketch, okay, let's see where our bridge is going to be. All right, cool. That looks cool. So we're going to select this, and we're going to go to our sides here and pick symmetric. I'm going to try 30. All right, that looks pretty cool. All right. Yeah, that's fine. Oh, I chose cut and not join. So let me try that again. All right. We're going to do this all over again. Choose 30. All right. Actually, let me try 20. See if I like that better. Because I don't want it off this edge here. So I think 20 is going to work better for me. And instead of cut, I'm going to do join. Okay. And that'll give us what we want. All right, so now what we're going to do is we're going to do another plane, but this is going to be a mid plane. And we're now going to select both sides of the bridge to get that plane going right in the center. Okay, and here we go. And we're going to do what we do with work planes, which is create a sketch on it. Okay, we're going to toggle that. And we're right here on our front right side. We are going to just bring this back up here, and we're going to toggle on our slice again. Okay, so this time we are going to go to project geometry, project here, and then we're going to choose just this whole thing. So this is selected. Now going to do my offset. I'm going to make sure this chain selection here is toggled off. Okay, and this is I'm just gonna grab this top line here. I'm gonna do a -8. All right, I like that. I'm gonna toggle this back on. I'm gonna go to my extrude, and I'm just gonna get this slice right here. So I did this 20. I'm gonna go back to symmetric. Let's check out 10 just to see how that looks. Maybe even, let's try 15. Okay, I'm liking that. All right. So now we have a bridge, we have our water hazard, we have our fountain, we have our custom brick walls. You can, of course, work on these here and make them more like handrails or add spaces in between them. They don't have to stay like this. But one thing I do suggest doing is changing the way it looks. So we're going to go to modify and appearance. And I'm just going to go to wood for this. Bring this up more. I think maybe a cherry. And also, it's really important that we switch this to faces. And yeah, it's a pain in the neck. You have to get each of these faces. But it looks really good once it's done. Let me zoom in for some of this stuff. Okay, let's turn this around to the side. All right, let's close this up, and there you have it.